Hey everyone, this is Ryan with Integrative Personal Training. I'm going to show you a lower trapezius exercise. Lower trapezius is one of the three muscles along with upper trapezius and serratus anterior, it's a mouthful, that upwardly rotate the shoulder blades. Why is that important? That's a good question. Because it allows you to raise your arm, right? So if I'm coming up overhead like that, my shoulder blades rotate on my rib cage. They rotate about a third of the motion. So if those muscles are not strong, often upper trap is usually just fine. Not for everyone, but often it is. A lower trap and serratus anterior are more commonly weak. Now, if you don't have that upward rotation, that can put you at more risk for rotator cuff injuries. If you already have a rotator cuff injury, this could be an exercise to help improve that, or at least prevent that from getting worse. So for this exercise, I'm going to use a bench. You can use a bed, or potentially a ball, exercise ball over here as well. So on the bench, chest down on the bed, just have an arm hang off the side, so you do it on one side at a time instead of both sides at a time. But with a bench, you get a 2-for-1 deal, which is a good deal. So from here, I'm going to focus on lifting my arms with my shoulder blades. So the shoulder blades are going to come together and down. My thumbs are facing up towards the ceiling, so this is external rotation. I'm going to hold that for a count of 5, and then go ahead and relax, and then back up. And again, hold that for a count of 5, and then relax, and then back up. That will probably be challenging for most people. A lower trap is not often a very strong muscle. You can do that using some lightweight dumbbells. I wouldn't go over 5 pounds, even 2 or 3 pounds for most people is great. Body weight alone is often just fine. What you can also do, if your shoulder feels comfortable with it, is you can go a little bit higher. So we went from 90 and increasing that to about 120 or 130. That can also increase the recruitment of the lower trapezius muscle. Now, for some people, the shoulders will not be happy with that. If that's you, you want to stick to 90. Goal at 90 will be to increase the strength and involvement of the lower trapezius. And then as that muscle gets healthier, that you will be able to go a bit higher, more towards that 120 or 130 degree range. So again, a 5-second hold at the top. If that feels too much, you can cut that down to 3 or even down to 2. If 5 is comfortable, go for it. Name anywhere from 6 to 12 reps. It's going to be a pretty wide range depending on where that muscle is at condition-wise. It should be a fair workout for it, but you want to be careful that you're not recruiting upper trapezius. So usually when the lower trap gets tired, you may end up doing more of that. So make sure you stop the exercise and take a break when that happens. Again, a 5-second hold at the top, anywhere from 6 to 12 reps.